Alright guys, I got something new for you guys. Can't wait to try this product out. Bam! Check this out. It's a charger. So this thing is pretty awesome. Now, there's like multiple different names for this one. So I got this on Amazon. So being that it was on Amazon, you know how that is, right? Made in China stuff. So we'll see how this product works. So it's a 4-in-1 item. You can charge 2 phones, earbuds, and your watch. But I'm gonna put it to the test, see if I can charge 2 watches or 4 phones or whatever. But anyway, let's go do an unboxing on this guy. Again, there's really no name on it, so that's a weird part about it. But you know how that is, right? All right. I don't want to rip the box just in case I might have to take it back. So here we go. Bear with me a second. There we go. All right, what's in the box? All right, charger. All right, cool. So apparently this is the name of this brand, but there's multiple different ones. Identical, but there's different brands. Okay, let's just open this one for you guys here. If you guys want to pause the video, you can read this if you want. Let's go on the other side. Just a basic how-to, and then that's about it. So, all right, who needs that, right? All right, you got a okay, it's in a Ziploc bag right here. So this is the charging brick right here. Not sure why this is red, but yeah. And of course you got your cable. Yeah, it's kind of weird that this is red, but all right. And this is the resistance. I'm going to show you how this works in a minute. I'm going to put it to the test. Let me lay it down for you guys. So this is how it looks. So phone, and then of course your watch and whatever else over here. I think you might be able to put another phone over here. I'm going to test out each port to see if I can charge multiple phones or multiple, different things than they say. This thing ain't. This is like, I don't think my stuff is gonna hold on to this. I don't think this is magnetic, but it claims it is. But you got some grips down here, which is cool. Right there, your Type-C to USB charging port. So I'm gonna put it to the test. They have solid black, but I kind of want a discolor. Something different, and the grip is like super cool. It's like rubber, like pure rubber all the way up to here and stuff. So I'm going to put it to test right now and show you guys what it can do, or supposedly supposed to do. All right, we have it here. So this is like my old one right here. Pretty simple, pretty basic. This one works really good. Works with my fast charging that it came with my phone right there. So that's the S21 Ultra. All right, here we go. So first of all, you guys want to know, that's what it is right there. First thing you guys should want to know, can it charge the phone on all the ports? Because if it can, that means you can charge multiple phones at once. Okay, that's one. Hey, hold on, let me get in the middle. Okay, that's one. And then of course we can go this way. 2. Okay, let's see if we can charge it on top. Let's put it a little bit. You hear that? It charges it on the top. What? And then, of course, you can't reach down there. And then bottom. So pretty much you can charge your phone on all the ports. You can charge 4 phones if you can fit one on the bottom. And then, of course, we got my headphones, which is supposed to be on there. So for me, this is going to be right there. It's charging. It doesn't beep. I wish it did. All right. She should charge on the top though. Okay, she charges on the bottom at least, right? Okay, it charges on the bottom. Let's face it this way. Of course, the port would be on the top there. It charges right there. Now, of course, if it charges on that, it's going to charge on this, like right there. I'm not sure why it's not getting the top zone up here. Okay, can't charge it. Oh, there we go. You got to be a Zach on it. So pretty much you can charge anything on it. And then of course I got my watch collection right here. And then yeah, so My watch right here. Put them on top here. Now the only drawback, if you have a band like this, it holds it and it charges it. But the only drawback is it's not magnetic. So that's kind of shitty to me, because if you don't have one of these bands that go around, I don't know if it's going to hold it in place. But let me just put it together like how to show it in the pictures. They got that like that. That way, this way. Down right there, all charging. Let's make sure all can charge at once. There you go. Yeah, this thing is awesome though. I'm 100% sure this is not a fast charger, that's for sure, because that's what the brick looks like right there. So this is it's like real generic, and that's my original brick right there for my other charger thing. But other than that, I like this. This is pretty kick butt right here. I can charge my multiple stuffs at once. Yeah, so this is well worth it. I'm going to test it out more. And the thing I like about it is if you don't have this here, and here, wait, let me show you guys. Let me take my watch out. Okay, see that light indicator? Get that light indicator. When you're charging something, you put it on. Hold on. There you go. You put it on, it would turn different color. Well, actually, it's not even turning a different color, is it? Oh, I could have sworn it turned blue. I don't know why. I could have sworn it turned blue, though. But anyway, it's pretty cool. I like it. It does, charges all my things up. I guess it's this one solid color thing. Or does it blink to tell you? Oh, my phone is 100% charged. That's why. See that? The indicator? So I guess if it blinks, I thought it turned blue, but I guess not. I guess, well, basically in this case, I guess if it turns off, that means it's fully charged. What kind of sucks is if you have something here, you won't see the light, but I can put this in the back there, on top there, or whatever. So this thing is pretty awesome. It's not worth that much because it's 40 bucks. It's not literally worth the 40 bucks, but I like it. I like the design. I like, you know, you can do 4 things at once, and Samsung. So definitely for Samsung phones and, you know, whatever charge phone, and the rub on this is real good. But yeah, there you go. You guys have it. That's my review on this thing. Sorry, I'm like super tired, so I can't even talk straight right now. So apparently, yeah. So click the shares, hit the likes, and definitely need more subscribers. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. This thing is Robert buying. Again, it has multiple names. The way I found this one is I clicked 4 charging ports for smartphones. So if you type in 4 chargers for smartphones, or anything like that, you're gonna see this thing, and this is what it looks like. And it has multiple names. It doesn't have one name, because remember, it's made in China crap. It has multiple names on it. But as far as that goes, this thing is pretty awesome. It has a little thing down there. Now you can get the solid black one, but I'm kind of, you know, bored of solid black, so I thought this was a pretty cool, you know, color to deal with here. So, and it kind of matches the side of my phone. Well, sort of. Well, yeah, kind of. Well, I don't know. Yeah, but all right. Let me know what you guys think about. Let me know what you guys think about the product below. Leave it in the comments. Definitely click the shares, hit the likes, subscribe. If you're new to my channel, hit the notifications. Definitely will be getting more cool stuffs out there. I thought this was the coolest thing ever, because I'm always charging 2 phones and 2 watches. And again, this is my old one. If you look at one of my videos, I already did an unboxing on this one. Again, this one too is multiple names as well on Amazon. So this one is a phone and cell phone charging port, and again, you can charge multiple things. You can even charge your whatever headphones here or down there as well, or your cell phone, or switch around, whatever it can hold. But the cool thing about this one, it never failed me, and this one's like super light. This one, it's got a little weight to it. But all right, let me know what you guys think.